All things as beautiful and deeply cherished as silver heirlooms deserve the finest care. Pine-Ola Silver Polish gives those treasures the care they require. Simply apply the product with a soft cloth over the entire surface and start buffing. You'll quickly see the tarnish disappear before your eyes. Here we had a piece of clear tape to help show how well the silver polish works. Since 1920, the Pine-Ola brand of metal polishes has been the choice of leading silversmiths across the United States and Europe. This traditional formula easily restores the beauty back to fine silver by removing years of tarnish and oxidation. It safely and effectively polishes and restores all silver on antiques, jewelry, and cookware without using acids or harsh abrasives. Our special Pine-Ola blend retards tarnishing and keeps silver bright and lustrous. Pine-Ola also helps slow down the tarnish for a long-lasting shine. Pine-Ola Silver Polish quickly cleans and polishes all silver on antiques, jewelry, plating, cookware, appliances, and chrome fittings. Howard's Pine-Ola Silver Polish works instantly and is amazingly fast and easy to use. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.